Apologies, it's been quite a while since I added more videos to this channel. Now that I'm in the swing of this coronavirus lockdown, I'm hoping to get more out so that I can complete the Excel and also work on the Access over the next few weeks. Okay, so we left off in the middle of section 12, which was lists, and the last video that was released was lesson 55, which was about AutoFilter. Now we're going to look at lesson 56, which is going a little bit deeper. We're going to look at custom AutoFilter. Custom AutoFilter allows more complicated details than a simple information match. Two conditions for selecting values within the same column can be applied by using any of the 12 options: equals, is less than, etc. Custom autofilters can be applied both to number columns and also text columns. I'm assuming after all this delay that the workbook 6 will not still be open on your screen. So open it from the Data Files folder, and as mentioned earlier, if you don't have the data files, either just look through this and be able to apply it to your own spreadsheets, or alternatively, if you have a copy of the CIA training manuals for ECDL Advanced, then details will be in there as to how to obtain the correct data files. Okay, so let's get to the workbook that's entitled Sick, which I have here. Now, the first thing we want to do is to enter filter mode. So again, just to remind you, we click on a cell within the list and then select Filter from the Data tab. I'm already on the Data tab, so all I'm going to do is to select Filter, and this will provide us with the drop-downs for the various columns. If you click on the Absent drop-down list and select Number Filters, if we wish to display all the employees who have had less than 5 days absence, we'll need to select Less Than, and then in the information box, which is over here, put in 5, and then press OK. And what we'll see now is our list has been filtered so that all these employees are the employees that have been absent less than 5 days. You will also see that the drop-down for absent is displayed differently from how it was before. Originally it was essentially an upside-down triangle, and now we have a filter symbol showing that a filter has been applied. If we wish to restore the list, click on the Absent field drop-down list, and this time press Select All and then OK. If we wish to display all the employees who are in either the administration or computer services departments, we need to use Custom AutoFilter. So, how do we get to it? We select the drop-down from the Department column, Text Filters, and then Custom Filter. We want to select those rows for which the department is equal to Administration or equal to Computer Services. Now if we press OK, it's going to apply the filter so the only records we'll be able to see are those members of staff who are in either the administration or the computer services department, as can be seen. Okay, to exit the filter mode, again, click the filter button. We're back to where we were. Now leave the workbook 6 open for the next lesson and I assure you I'm not going to take so long to keep you waiting for the next video. Okay, I hope this has made sense, and I hope it's a feature you'll find useful. I look forward to seeing you next time, and please, please, please be safe out there and be well.